Hi guys, I'm back from the video, and I've just got a few updates, nothing much. As you can see, there you are, the red Pactas with the red mosaics. Give them some soak seed and all red mix there. And also we've separated the yellow birds and the ones that aren't red from the red. So this is one of the cages. This is the other cage. We've got two lizards here and the yellow mosaic gate baby with the yellow mosaic gate mother. We've also got this very beautiful yellow mosaic gate female here in our cage. We've also got this new food stand that we've built. So yeah.